Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be pranking my mom by doing the doorbell prank. So if you don't know what it is, you just like ring the doorbell. You ring the doorbell and then you run away as fast as you can so they don't know who did it, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, so see the doorbell, look. Boom, I just did it. Okay, I'm going. Okay, so we can set that there for a reaction. Okay, I'm running.
Hello? 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 Huh. Okay. No one's here. Oh, look at you. I'm trying to do your video. Go.
So I did the doorbell prank and I added something extra. So I went through the garage and then I went through the house, and while she wasn't looking, I scared her. So if you want to do that doorbell prank, you can. It's really simple. You just gotta ring the doorbell and then hide somewhere. That's really it. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.